In this video, we'll look at how to use the quick addressing tool to map and address fixtures on a P3 system controller. Before using the quick addressing tool, you need to create a layout of fixtures on your workspace. Creating such a layout can be done using P3 PC installed on any Windows computer or on any of the P3 system controllers before having fixtures connected. My show has 6 Macallure profiles, so let's find them in the library. And let's start at address number 1. Let's first zoom in a little bit and then place the 6 Macallure profiles on my stage. And keep adding the remaining 2 fixtures. My stage also has a drum riser with some VC Grid 60 products. To keep some overview, I want to let these start at address 101. So I start by typing in the address there. And then I just add these VC grids to my canvas as well, forming the line that makes the drum riser. I can just keep adding fixtures. It will automatically increment the address to the next number. So no need to type in any numbers here. Once you're done, you click the same fixture again in the library to stop adding fixtures and to start modifying the fixtures already on the workspace. So my map is now complete. All figures are mapped, but none of them are connected with a real fixture on the network. So let's first plug in the network to the P3 system controller, or in case it was on a P3 PC, put it in a USB stick and put the USB stick on a P3 controller to load the show file. I've now plugged in the network and the fixtures appear on the network. You'll see all the fixtures are there, but none of them join the fixtures on the workspace because none of the addresses in these fixtures correspond to addresses of the fixtures that I've placed on the workspace. Before starting with the addressing, it's usually a good idea to use the Light All tool. The Light All tool will send a dynamic test pattern to all of the fixtures it finds on the network. It will send a sequence of red, blue, green to all of the fixtures. So it's very useful to see if all the fixtures are connected correctly and if there's no cabling errors in your system. Once you've confirmed using Light All that all the fixtures are working correctly, you can initiate the quick addressing tool to start addressing the fixtures. The quick addressing tool is found here. And now, once you activate the quick addressing tool, the P3 controller will highlight one of the fixtures in my rig. So if I now look upon the truss, I will see that one of my Macallures is outputting full white. I just need to find which one it is and then click the corresponding one on the P3 controller. So I've now clicked the 4th one because number 4 was lighting full white in my truss. And now that fixture has been addressed and joined automatically. Now the next one is lighting full white. I'm looking in my truss again and I can see it's the 2nd one. So I click number 2. Then it's number 1. Then it's number 6. You just always click which fixture is outputting light. The P3 controller automatically always steps to the next fixture and you just need to click the corresponding one on your workspace. So now all my Macallures have been addressed automatically. No need to type in any address. Now I will see that one of the VC grids in my drum riser is lighting up full white. So I just look in my drum riser, I see the 3rd one is full white, the 2nd one, the 1st one. So I just click every time the fixture that is outputting full white. As soon as I click it, it gets addressed and the full white disappears and moves on to the next fixture. So I just always look at my stage, see which one is lighting on full white and click the corresponding one to address it to that address on the P3 controller. Once I'm done, all fixtures will be addressed automatically. So you see here in Discover Devices, no more fixtures are left in the Discover Devices and all my configure devices have turned green, indicating they are addressed and joined with the real fixture on the network. So also here in my global status indication, it will say that all my devices on the network are online, all my fixes are ready to go. Same here, my mapped pixels and active pixels are the same number, so all pixels are live.